Hey, what's up, guys? Just Jake Reviews, and it's Car Tug Mondays. But wait, Jake, you're not in your usual chair. That's right, that's because I finally have cleaned this room up a bit, and I moved the Car Tug Monday film spot to here where it's supposed to be in my chair, in my comfortable chair. So basically, we got a lot of cars to talk about. I apologize for this video being late. I've been celebrating my mom's birthday for the past couple days, so I lost track of time, and I didn't want to work on any videos until after her birthday. So then I forgot the next day. So I'm sorry this video is going a little late, but we got a lot of cars to talk about. First up, Ford. It's been rumored. This is just a rumor that Ford is making a new Mustang Mach 1. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a souped up it's a special version of the Mustang. It was originally, I believe, a special trim option. I don't know too much about the history. I just know it's a very popular trim level that's been famous for specifically the Mustang. And there hasn't been a new one since, I want to say, 2005, 2006, something like that. I'll post a picture of it here if I have time. But anyways, it looks cool. It's just a rumor there. It's just over and up. It may not be the Mach 1. Maybe some different trim they're doing. Maybe they're trying to make a special edition of the EcoBoost and maybe trying to make it look better. I don't know. I don't know Ford. I don't know what Ford does anymore. They clearly have kind of lost their marbles a little bit. But that's just me. And let's see, next up, Hyundai is coming out with a new version of the Santa Fe, which to me looks too much like the Pulsar in my opinion. Here's a little look of it. To me, it looks too much. If you know what, the Pulsar, that's one that I believe is their largest vehicle they have. And the Santa Fe looks too much like it. And to me, you shouldn't make one vehicle, a smaller vehicle, look too much like the other one. I like people get confused. If you don't believe me, look what Chrysler does. Chrysler has a Jeep, Cherokee, and Compass that made them look very similar. Can you tell the difference between the two? No, even though they're two very different cars. They can have the same engines, but they're one smaller than the other. You can really check your play. Oh yeah, it's got plenty of space. This is the Cherokee. Yeah, yes, there's Compass right on it. Charges you, or you want something like a small, and it gets you in the Cherokee, and it charges you 20 grand over. So Chrysler really needs to change the look of the Compass. The Cherokee's fine. They need to change the look of the Compass, make its own thing. Well, that's just my gripe. Let's see. Next up, Nissan is finally releasing the new Nissan Z. Now, this is just a room. We just have renders. We don't never really announce the way it's going to look yet, but we do know it's coming. And as far as GTR goes, we don't know. We don't know that. But, hey, we're finally getting a Z, which we've been waiting for. How long has it been? About 10 years? Because they've been beating this, we're using the old generation since, I want to say 2005, something like that. That's just not a bad generation. It's just, what would you rather have? A brand, I pay 30 grand or 30, 40 grand for a brand new car of a 10-year-old model, or get a used one. It's literally the same car, maybe slightly different feature, just like one or two different things that different, and you get nicer, and you get a newer, save a bunch of money. That's just my gripe. And Nissan knows this, and they are finally doing something about it, which is something they really needed to do. And let's see, who else? Volkswagen. Volkswagen has a new they're making a new they're refreshing the Arteon, which I don't know why. I've driven that car, and it was they just redesigned it very recently, so I don't know why they're refreshing it already. Maybe more trying to get it wrong. Most of my information I get is from Motor Trend and different sites like that talk about it. I really hope the Volkswagen not really doing this, especially now, because they've already done it. But they are adding a new model, the shooting brake. If you don't know what those are, pretty much it's a wagon. Well, you have people who like wagons. Yay, go nuts. German wagons, it's gonna be fun. And so it's gonna be cool. I really looking forward to seeing it. The refreshed one, they changed a couple things, but really it looks very similar to the one now. So it looks nice. I have driven the new Artenia that's currently out for sale, and I like it. But it's not really my cup of tea. It's more of a business car, not really something that I would typically choose. I prefer the GLA. I mean, it's not that bad. Let's see, what else we got? Also, Mazda 3. Driven that car as well, I believe 2 years ago. So, if you guys didn't know, their Mazda 3 is Mazda's, what's a Corolla? It's their Corolla on this market. And they're now offering for 2021 a turbocharged option, which I believe, if I remember correctly, it's the same. It's the engine that's in the Mazda 6. Don't quote me on that. Not exactly, but I believe it's the same engine in the Mazda 6. Because the main difference between the 3 and the 6, even though they're both four cylinders, the 6 is turbocharged, whereas the 3 is not. But they're both really good power and really fun. So yeah, this could be fun turbocharged. I really hope they bring back the Mazda Speed. Which you didn't know what that is. That pretty much was their high performance was their hot hatch, and it was fun. It had lots of problems, but it was fun. It was a good looking car. I have some people. I've been meaning to review one for you guys, but I've just been really busy, and the whole coronavirus. I can't go anywhere. Announcement on that. I got news on that. So I will be doing reviews. Getting back and doing reviews. I will always Car Talk Monday. But if you guys didn't know, I do car reviews. That's why it's called Just Take Reviews, not just a car news show YouTube channel. So, and I will probably be doing them. I want to say after July. I want to say in a few weeks, but I want to go to see my grandmother, and she's in her 70s, and she lives in North Carolina. And so if I review a car and he somehow had it and gave it to me, I get sick. I can go see her, and it's just not really good. So, and I'm wasting money and a bunch of all that stuff. It's just not really good. So I will think about it in a few weeks. I really want to go to do reviews, but I gotta be safe. But so for sure after July, it's a maybe this month, maybe, I don't know. Like I said, I have to see. But for sure after July, I will be doing reviews again, which should be fun. And I believe that's it for this video. Sorry it's a little short. I don't have much to say, but hey, we got some cool cars coming out. I look forward to testing them out. Now the Brian's starting to send me cars, which I wish they would, but you know, I hope they start doing events where people can test drive them so I can try out new stuff for you guys. Because currently I've driven pretty much everything that Chevy has, new-wise, except for the Silverado, which I've already driven, the 1500, but I've driven the 2500, and what I've heard, it drives the similar, so. And then, I would say drive the new Camaro, but people say it's very similar to the 22 Zoutlawss one, so, oh yeah. Also, my room tour. You guys been wanting to know about that. If you're not following the amazing man Zoutlawss SS, go follow him right now. He's super awesome. Well, I was on his live stream, which I announced last Car Talk Monday, I believe, last Saturday, and I gave you guys everybody who was watching a room tour. I believe he kept it in the video. I'm not exactly sure. I haven't really watched it because I've been busy. But if you want to go see my room tour, go watch his video. It's awesome. I showed not the entire room. I want to say about half of it. I was really tired and I didn't really feel like showing the whole rest of the room that's being modded and cleaned and stuff. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Shake. I do car reviews, but since it's been in quarantine, I've been doing nothing but Car Talk Monday. But I will be getting back to car reviews very soon, so be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, and hit that like button. Smash it! Take a water bottle and smash the living daylights out of it! Okay, time to come down now. Alright guys, this has been Just Check Reviews. Bye!